Maserati will only make 65 units of the MC20 Cielo Primaserie, the ultra-exclusive version of its latest open-top supercar, and some of them will be even more exclusive, thanks to 7 Design and its aero-improving body kits. Initially offered to the MC20 Coupe, dubbed the MC20 Aria, the US-based tuners kits are more than just aesthetic upgrades but also functional. The company claims an impressive 123% increase in aero-efficiency, a substantial enhancement that should bolster the vehicle's performance. The aero package is touted to balance aggressiveness with elegance, while still adhering to the original design language of the MC20 Cielo. The MC20 Cielo Primaserie package has a front splitter, hood vent inserts, canards, side skirts, a rear spoiler, and a diffuser. The tuner claims the kits provide over 199 pounds of downforce at 100 miles per hour, over 509 pounds at 160 miles per hour, and over 795 pounds at 200 miles per hour. The carbon fiber kits come in 3 forms: forged, twill, or tinted. The Primaserie you see here is wearing blue tinted carbon fiber elements, pre-pregged to maximize structural integrity. Even better, there's no need to drill into the MC20's body, as the kits use OEM mounting points for seamless integration. There's also a choice between various forged wheels, including a 20-spoke OZ design inspired by the MC12 Corsa, the track-only version of the MC20's spiritual predecessor. Though not mentioned for the MC20 Cielo Primaserie, 7 Design offers a Stage 2 exhaust system that adds 20 extra horsepower while saving an additional 15 pounds. This should apply to the more exclusive offering, given they have the same twin-turbo Nettuno V6 mill that makes 621 horsepower and 538 lb-ft of torque from the factory. 7 Design hasn't revealed the pricing for the carbon fiber body kits for the MC20 Cielo Primaserie, plus its website isn't showing the correct price figures for each part. However, with only 25 complete builds, the company boasts an increase in the supercar's overall value to north of $500,000, or twice the MC20 Cielo Primaserie's estimated price tag.